Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you keep getting this error, lobby not found with the error cause 10 and the error code 2032, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Call of Duty Black Ops 7 easily. So this problem is a pretty weird one, it has multiple solutions, so I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is if you have the game on Game Pass, what you're going to do is you're going to log out of your account and then you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to log back in into Xbox Game Pass. And once you log back in, now you're going to go to your Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And once you go into it, what you're going to do is you're going to verify your game's files. So just right click on Call of Duty Black Ops 7, for example this one, and then you should have an option to verify your game's files. And if you have the game on, let's say, Xbox or PlayStation, what you're going to do is you're going to close the game and then make sure there aren't any updates on the game. So just check for any updates and update your game. After that, you're going to restart your console. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Call of Duty, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that error code 2032 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.